What's up guys, this is Raf and just a quick video on the Samsung Unpack event for their new foldables. And as usual, on this time of the year, they releases these updated versions of their foldables, which are the Fold 6 and the Flip 6, and they also have presented other devices as well. So the new Fold 6 do have a slight update of its design, and it is now more boxy like the S24 Ultra. It doesn't have any titanium, but it does have an enhanced armor aluminum frame. They updated the hinge and it is much better than before, as usual. It does have also all of the Samsung AI features like the interpreter, live translate, chat assist, circle to search, note assist, transcript assist, photo assist, and drawing assist. It does have a slight change on its screen ratio as well. It does have now 2600 nits of brightness on both front and inner screens. It does have now a IP rating of IP48 instead of IPX8 for more added protection. It is also powered now by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. The camera ring is updated with new design, but the cameras are all the same. Battery, RAM, storage are still the same, but it is now much lighter at 239 grams. So it starts now at $1,899, which is a $100 increase from last year. The Flip 6 big changes are mostly from its camera, screen, and battery. So it does have a new 50 megapixel wide camera instead of the old 12 megapixel camera. It does have now a maximum brightness of 2600 nits on its main inner screen. And it does have also a bigger battery capacity, which is now at 4000 milliamps. As usual, it includes also all of the newest AI features and also a better IP rating of IP48 like the Fold 6. It also does have an updated processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. And likewise with the Fold 6, the Flip 6 also have an increase of $100. So it starts now at $1,099. They also released their new watches, the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Watch 7. The new Watch Ultra is controversial because of the squircle design that resembles the Apple Watch Ultra. And for me, it doesn't look the same. Maybe the band or the color of the action button, but they resemble more from G-Shock from Casio in appearance. Of course, the Ultra does have more features like the Apple Watch Ultra, and it is made with titanium. And what excites me most is the 3nm processor on both watches, which improve their performance. The Galaxy Watch Ultra starts at $649, while the Galaxy Watch 7 starts at $299. They have also released the new Galaxy Ring. It is a titanium smart ring that uses AI-powered monitoring features to track activity and analyze your sleeping patterns and offer insights on your health and wellness. It starts at $399 without any subscription. So Samsung releases new wireless earbuds as well, the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which kinda controversial as well because of their design is similar to the Apple AirPods. The Buds 3 are priced at $179, while the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro costs around $249. The Pro version focused on enhanced microphone quality, intuitive controls, and adaptive AI power adjustments. There are indeed many devices in this launch, but it seems most are just minor updates. Some new devices have also sparked controversies due to their designs. However, if you're due for an upgrade, you can't go wrong with Samsung. And one of the great things about Samsung is their deals and trade-in discounts, which you can take advantage of to save on your new devices. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.